So across generations, if you tend to have a look, there's always going to be some sort of gap, and sometimes using AI may be a blessing or it may be a curse in disguise, but it depends on the audience you're trying to talk to, of course, right? It's their human experience as well. So if someone has a preconceived experience or a preconceived notion about something, you can't really change that. You've got nothing in your power to really alter that. But each generation has their own traits, qualities, and their interpretation of writing will always be different compared to the other generation. Just how it works, and it's how society has been developed or how it just works, right? So through the use of AI, you can tap into writing specific to a specific age group, right? But you may not be able to create that specific feeling in them because AI doesn't have that human experience. But if you tap into both the human experience and AI being able to talk to a mass audience, then you should be able to create a better message that's more well-rounded to different generations.